Good day, mathematician kids! Welcome to Division Remediation in Enhancement of Aptitude in Mathematics through e-learning. I am Gemma from Nueva de Febrero Elementary School, and I will be your math teacher for today. Please join me as we explore the world of mathematics. Are you ready? Let's go! Routine problem is a type of problem using at least one of the four arithmetic operations and or ratio to solve the problem. It uses a clear procedure. It is a type of problem with an immediate solution. Non-routine problem, it is a complicated problem that requires analysis and some degree of creativity and originality. They don't have an immediate apparent strategy for solving them. These problems can be solved in multiple ways. Let us now study the steps on how to solve routine and non-routine word problem involving multiplications of decimals and mixed decimals, including money, using appropriate strategies. First step, understand. For you to understand the problem, know what is us, the main question in the problem. Where can you find the answer for this question? Most of the time, it is at the end of the problem. Next, know the given facts. When we say given facts, these are the numbers that are given or visible in the problem, or these are the numbers that you're going to solve. Then, know the clue word. Why do we need to get the clue word? We need to get it because this one will help us find the correct mathematical operation to write the correct number sentence of the problem. Do you know the four fundamental operations in mathematics? Yes, these are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Second step, plan. After understanding the problem, you need to plan. Determine the mathematical operation to be used. And next, write the number sentence. Third step, solve. In solving a problem, you should show your solution by computing the number sentence or equation. Fourth step, check and look back. Review and check your answer. Then state the complete answer with the correct label or unit. Let's have an example of a routine problem. Princess bought 9 big notebooks for her online classes. Each notebook costs 40 pesos and 25 centavos. How much did she pay for the notebooks? Try to look at the chart. Based on the problem, let us fill the box for what you have, what you want to find out, and what you need to do. If you have noticed, the first column gives the answer of the given facts. The second column answers what is asked, and the third column answers the process to be used. To understand the problem very well, let's go to the different steps in solving word problem. What is the first step again? Understand. Know what is asked in the problem. What is asked in the problem? How much did she pay for the notebooks? But we should take note the question word how much, in which it reminds us money or value. So remember that how much tells us the amount paid for the notebook. Next, know what are given. When we say given facts, as I said a while ago, these are the numbers that are given or visible in the problem. So the given facts are 9 notebooks and 40 pesos and 25 centavos. Then, know what is or the clue words. What is the clue word in the problem? The word each. After understanding the problem, you need to plan. Know the mathematical operation. What is the mathematical operation? Yes, it is multiplication. Now, you can write now the number sentence. What is the number sentence of the problem? You have 40 pesos and 25 centavos times 9 equals n. N is the unknown. Next, solve. In solving a problem, you should show your solution by computing the number sentence. So we have 40 pesos and 25 centavos times 9. Multiply 9 times 5 equals 45. You will get 5 and regroup 4. 9 times 2 equals 18 plus 4. Your answer is 22. You will get 2, regroup 2. 9 times 0 equals 0 plus 2. Your answer is 2. 9 times 4 equals 36. Now, how many decimal places do we have? 2. So from here, count 2. Then put decimal point. So what is your answer now? You have 362 pesos and 25 centavos. This is the amount paid for the 9 notebooks. Now, the last step. Check and look back. Since we use multiplication in solving the problem, we will use division, the inverse of multiplication, to check our answer. Divide the amount paid for the notebooks by the total number of notebooks bought. If you get the amount of each notebook, our answer is correct. Now let's do it. Divide the amount paid for the notebooks by the total number of notebooks. So we have 362 pesos and 25 centavos divided by 9. Our answer is 40 pesos and 25 centavos. When you divide the amount paid for the notebooks by the total number of notebooks, what did you get? It will give you the quotient of 40 pesos and 25 centavos. What is 40 pesos and 25 centavos? Yes, the cost of each notebook. So our answer is correct. Let's go to a non-routine problem. Karina was a fruit vendor. She bought 75 watermelons at 25 pesos and 50 centavos each. 5 watermelons got rotten, but she sold the rest at 40 pesos each. How much did she gain? Try to notice the illustration. We have 75 watermelons, 5 of them are rotten, and 40 pesos the marked price. Next, we have 75 watermelons and 25 pesos and 50 centavos the capital price. Now, let us analyze the problem. Go to the first step. Understand. To understand the problem, know what is asked. Again, if the question is what is asked, where will you focus your eyes to the problem? Yes, very good. You must look for the question in the problem. Where can you find the question? That's right. Mostly at the end of the problem. Let's know what is asked. The amount that you gain. Now, know the given facts. What is your answer? These are the numbers that are visible in the problem, or these are the numbers that you're going to solve. So what are the given facts? The given facts are 75 watermelons, 25 pesos and 50 centavos, the capital price of watermelons, 5, the number of watermelons rotten, and 40 pesos, the ceiling or mark price of watermelons. Next, know the clue words. Why do we need to find the clue words? Exactly, to help us find the correct mathematical operations to be used. What are the clue words in the given problem? So you have each, the rest, and then gain. Now, let us plan on how we will solve the problem. First, what is the mathematical operation? Excellent! These are subtraction and multiplication. Let us proceed to the next step. Write the number sentence. Now let's write the number sentence. Put an open parenthesis, then write 75 minus 5 and a fixed close parenthesis. Put the multiplication symbol and write 40, then close parenthesis. Enclose the first equation using bracket. Write the minus sign, then open parenthesis. Write 75 times 25 pesos and 50 centavos. Then close parentheses again. Lastly, write the equal sign and N for the answer because the answer is still unknown. Next step, solve. If you notice, the number sentence uses multiple operation. In here, we will apply the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. In using the PEMDAS, which means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Our BODMAS rule. Bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let us subtract first the total number of watermelons to the total number of watermelons rotten. Why? This is because the parenthesis is located at the beginning part of the equation. 75 minus 5 equals 70. Then multiply the remaining watermelons to the marked price. 70 times 40 pesos equals 2,800 pesos. Next, multiply the total number of watermelons to its original price. 75 times 25 pesos and 50 centavos is equals to 1,912 pesos and 50 centavos. Subtract the capital price to the total sales price to get the amount gained for selling watermelons. So 2,800 pesos minus 1,912 and 50 centavos is equals to 887 pesos and 50 centavos. What is 887 pesos and 50 centavos? This is the amount gained. Now, the last step. Check and look back. Add the amount gained to the capital price to get the total sales price. 887 pesos and 50 centavos plus 1,912 pesos and 50 centavos equals 2,800 pesos. Next, divide the capital price to the total number of watermelons to get the original price. So we have 1,912 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 75. Your answer is 25 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, divide the total sales price to the remaining number of watermelons to get the marked price. So you have 2,800 pesos divided by 70. Your answer is 40 pesos. Now, test yourselves from the following problems. That's the end of my discussion. I hope you learned something today. Once again, living the saying, I dream, you dream, we dream. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.